What's up, everybody? It's your boy C Sam's, and this is The Specs. So, if you haven't known already, and if you don't know already, well, now you know. Comic-Con is happening right now in San Diego. Now, this is the big comic book festival, big event that happens at least once a year over in that area. This is where all the comic book fiends and all the movie studios come together and deliver to us what we've been waiting for half of the year. Now, we got two big trailers that drop during this time in Hall H. We have Justice League and we have Thor Ragnarok. Now, these are two big movies that are happening around the same month, which is kind of dumb. I'd rather it be spaced out, but whatever. We're getting these two movies and we should be happy about that. But we're going to be talking about the Justice League right now. As you can see by my shirt, I love Flash, and I'm going to get this right out the door. I don't like Ezra Miller's as Flash. I don't like his look. I like the costume, but I don't like his look. I don't like how I'll get into that with the roundtable discussion with the fellas a little bit later on. But I do want to give my initial reaction to the actual trailer. Now, this trailer opens up with Jim Gordon trying to get in touch with Batman. If you hear in the background, we hear a lot of reporting going on. They're saying that a lot of the world is sad that Superman is gone, or the Superman is gone. That's what they're saying. They also say how the Caped Crusader is now out of action, or he's gone in hiatus, he's MIA. But why are they still calling him the Caped Crusader if they already know, or they should know, that he is the Batman? He's been Batman for a long period of time, as what they showed us in the movies, but who knows? They may never talk about this. They may talk about this. This is DC, so we can be surprised. So we see Wonder Woman in the beginning, also where she's fighting off these dudes. We'll get into that a little bit later. Now we're seeing all these new characters. Basically, from the trailer, we're seeing these characters in action. We're seeing Aquaman do his thing underwater, up in the sky. I don't know, he was doing something crazy. We see Ezra Miller's Flash, being Flash. Finally, I see Flash on the big screen. It's going to be very interesting to see what they do with Flash, because in my mind, the definitive Flash is, Grant Gustin. For me, that's the definitive Flash, and if we're talking about the big screen, Quicksilver. That's the definitive speedster for me. So it's going to be interesting to see where he fits into all of that. Now, we also see Batman, we see Wonder Woman, we also see Cyborg. Finally, we see Cyborg taking a bigger role. We see his hands opening up and getting into the controls, telling Alfred, yo, bruh, I got this. It's pretty cool, pretty cool. So we see a lot of comedic elements within this movie. So it looks like that DC is going away from what they delivered to us in these last few movies. The tone is starting to get a little lighter, but they still have that dark, dreary type of background and filter, whatever. We see our first look at Steppenwolf. To be honest with you, I didn't know who Steppenwolf was until the end of BVS. He wasn't a guy out on my radar. I wasn't rushing to the comic book store to read about Steppenwolf. So, but, it is what it is. I feel as though that we're going to see some more of Apocalypse. We did see some Apocalypse in there. We also saw some Parademons, and I believe we're going to see Darkseid. I guarantee you. The guy that Alfred was talking to at the end of the trailer, it looked like that the scenes were kind of spliced together. He could be talking to Superman, he could be talking to Green Lantern, he could be talking to Hawkeye, he could be talking to Hawkgirl. Who knows who he's talking to? But we can almost assume that he may be talking to Superman. And if Superman comes back, I feel as though he's going to come back, greet Steppenwolf, and then all of a sudden Darkseid's going to come through, and that's going to be your epic end of the climactic fight. Kind of like the MO of most comic book movies produced. So DC is sticking to that mold as the last few movies that we've seen. This is the mold that they're going with. But that's my initial reaction. I'm going to get into it deeper with a lot of my brothers. We're going to break it down for y'all. We're going to go into it in depth, talk about what we saw, some of the stuff that you may not have seen and we saw. And, we're just going to drop that for you. So, once again, like, share, subscribe. This is That Comic Show, and this is The Specs, and this is your boy C Sam's. Sam's out.